What will you learn in this course? Let's start with learning extraction by creating connections with databases such as Oracle SQL Server and PostgreSQL. Let's extract the data from those databases. Extraction of data from AWS S3 buckets. Extraction of data from files. Let's go to transformation process. Let's learn data type conversion, data manipulations using expressions, joins, union, filter, sorter. Let's convert CSV file to JSON, and finally let's transform JSON file to CSV. Finally, let's understand load process. Let's load the data from file to database. Let's extract the data from database to file. Let's load the data from Oracle to Postgres, Postgres to SQL Server. Let's load the files to S3 buckets. Finally, let's design an ETL project. We'll learn to design end-to-end ETL project interacting with multiple source and destinations.